In this video, I am going to explain LPP, that is linear programming problem, by simplex method. The given question is maximize z equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3. Subject to is x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 less than or equal to 430, 3x1 plus 2x2 less than or equal to 460, x1 plus 4x2 less than or equal to 420, and x1, x2, x3 are greater than or equal to 0. To solve this simplex method, there are some conditions are there. The first condition is convert the given general LPP into standard LPP. In that one, first is objective function of LPP must be maximized. If it is to be minimized, then we have to convert into a problem of maximization using by minimum z equal to minus max of z. Then second one is check all the decision variables are greater than 0. Then the next one is express the problem in standard form by introducing slack or surplus variable to convert the inequality constant into equation, and all the values of RHS must be positive. The given question is maximize. If it is minimize, then we have to convert into maximize, and all the decision variables are greater than 0, 430, 460 and 420. Then next step is convert inequality constant into equality constant. Then we have to add non-negative slack variable, that is S1, S2, S3 are added to constant. Then the problem becomes maximum z equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. Subject to is x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 plus s1 equal to 430, 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s2 equal to 460, x1 plus 4x2 plus s3 equal to 420, and x1, x2, x3, S1, S2, S3 are greater than 0. Initial feasible solution is when we have considered x1, x2, s3 are equal to 0 in constant, then in first constant s1 becomes 430, second constant s2 become 460, and in third constant s3 become 420. Then now we have to write the standard form of LPP into matrix form, that is Ax equal to B. Here A is coefficients of constant, that is first constant is coefficient is x1 का 1 है तो 1, x2 का 2 है तो 2, x3 का 1 है 1, and s1 1, s2 s3 are 0 0. Then in second constant, that is 3x1 plus 2x2 plus s2, here 1 2 0 0 1 0, and third constant is x1 plus 4x2 plus s3, therefore 1 4 0 0 0 1, and x here variables x1 x2 s3 x3 and s1 s2 s3 equal to b. Here RHS sets of value, that is 430, 460 and 420. And next step is we have to construct the initial simplex table. This is the format of initial simplex table. Here Cj is coefficients of optimal solution, and xv is RHS sets of value, and b is slack variables which we have to add, and cb is coefficients of slack variable. And here Cj is in the question coefficients of optimal solution, that is maximum z equal to 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. So coefficients of Cj means that is 3, 2 1 5 1 sorry 0 0 0 and xb here x1 x2 x3 s1 s2 and here s3. Then xb का value RHS sets of value, that is 430 460 and 420, and slack variables are s1 s2 s3 s1 s2 s3. Then coefficients of slack variable is 0 0 and 0. And right here coefficients of constant, that is first constant is x1 का 1 है 1, x2 का 2 है 2, x3 का 1 and s1 is 1, s2 and s3 are 0 0. And next constant is 3x1, that is 3, 2x2 so 2, then x3 नहीं है तो 0, then s1 s3 भी नहीं है 0 and s2 का 1 s3 का 0. then next x1 का 1 x2 का 4 x3 नहीं है 0 and s3 है, so s1 s2 0 s3 1. now we have to calculate the zj and zj minus cj. there is one formula is there to find zj, that is zj equal to cb into xj. here cb is 0 0 0 and xj means coefficients of constant, that is in first one equal to 0 into x1, that is 1, plus 0 into 3 plus 0 into 1 equal to 0, that is 0. then 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 4 equal to 0. then 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 equal to 0. then 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 and added to become 0. then 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 becomes 0. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 into 1 becomes 0. then we have to find the zj minus cj. here one formula is there, zj minus cj equal to cb into xj minus cj. here all zj are have 0 0, so 0 minus in first column 0 is there and cj का value 3 है, becomes minus 3. then zj का value 0 minus 2, that is 0 minus cj का value 2 है तो minus 2. then 0 minus 5 is minus 5, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. then we have to find the minimum ratio. To find minimum ratio, first in zj minus cj most negative value which is there, that is minus 5 is most negative value, so this column becomes key column. To find minimum ratio, xb divided by key column, that is xb divided by key column is x3, and the condition is which has key column that must be greater than 0, that is x3 must be greater than 0. and to find first row, xb is 430 divided by 1, that become 430, and second is 0 is there. No, there is not necessary to find this one. And next is also 0, and here 430 is only one value is there, so this is the key row. And here which have key column, this is the entering variable, and which have the key row, that is S1, is leaving variable. In this, using this table, we have to construct the next table. Next table Cj also same, that is optimum solution ka coefficients are same, 3, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, x1, x2, x3, s1, s2, s3, and we here s1 here leaving variable, so x1 का जगह पर x3 आता है, x3, s2 and s3 are remaining same, s2, s3, and x3 का variable 5, that is 5, s2 and s3 0, 0. Then we have to first, which is the common element here, that is 1. To which have the common element in this table, to first we have to divide whole row by this key element, becomes 430 divided by 1 is 430, 1 by 1 1, 2 by 1 2, 1 by 1 1, 1 by 1 1, 1 by 0 0, sorry 0 by 1 is 0, 0 by 1 is 0. Then we have to first we see here b is there, b का है x3, s2, s3. This variables must be unit matrix. In previous table is also s1, s2, s3, that is s1 100, s2 1010, s3 001. Here also x3, s2, s3 का भी वैसा ही रहता, that is x3 का 1, first 1, then 0, then 0, s2 0 1 0, s3 0 0 1. We have to now we have to calculate remaining place, that is new value. To find new value, there is one method is there, that is which we have to find this place. First we have to multiply 460 into 1, that is 460 into 1, and minus 0 into 430, 0 into 430 equal to 460, that is 460 into 1, cross multiply is there, so minus 0 into 430 become 460. Here also same, 420 into 1 and minus 0 into 430 become 420. Then we have to find this place, 3 into 1 3 minus 100, sorry. To find a value, cross multiplying of which we have to find, that is 460 into 1 minus 0 into 430 divided by which have key element, that is 460 into 1 minus 0 into 430 divided by 1 equal to 460 divided by 1 equal to 460. Then same all place, that is 420 into 1 minus 0 into 430 divided by 1 becomes 420. Then here 3 into 1 minus 0 into 1 divided by 1 is 3. Here also 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0 divided by 1 becomes answer is 2. Then here also 1 into 1 1 minus 0 into 1 is 0 divided by 1 becomes 1. 4 into 1 4 minus 0 into 2 0 divided by 1, the answer become 4. Here also 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0, becomes 0. 1 into 0 0 minus 0 into 1 is 0, divided by 1 becomes 0. Then we have to find Zj. To find Zj, formula that is CB into Xj. CB into Xj, Zj equal to find first here 5 into 1 plus 0 into 3 0, 0 into 1 is 0, become 5. Then 5 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 5, 0 into 2 is become 0, 0 into 4 is 0, that is 5 to the 10. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, becomes 5. Then 5 into 1 is 5, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, becomes 5. 5 0 0, 1 0 0, 0 into 0 0, becomes 0. Here also becomes 0. To find Zj minus Cj, Zj का वैल्यू 5 है, तो Zj minus Cj equal to Cb into Xj minus Cj. Here first is Cb into Zj का वैल्यू, Zj minus Cj, that is first Zj is 5 minus is Cj का वैल्यू 3, become 2, plus 2. Then here also same, 10 minus 2, 8. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 0, 0. 5. And 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here there is no one is negative value, so not necessary to finding the minimum ratio. From the above table, Zj minus Cj are greater than 0. Here no one is negative value, so we obtain the optimum solution with x1 0. Here x1 x2 is not there, so x1 be 0, x2 be 0. x3 का है 430. Then maximum z, these values substitute in maximum which the given question. Then 3 into x1, that is 0, plus 2 into 0 plus 5 into 430, x3 का 430. Then maximum z becomes 2150.